Okay guys, if you follow along, you saw that we painted the windows. They're pretty, and we haven't unveiled the taped area, which is the windows. See how good of a job we did.
We've peeked though.
We did peek.
It's pretty.
It is, the lines look great. So Danielle did a great job of taping them. I helped a little bit. And so
just perfected it.
So now we're going to install them.
Yes.
And so
it's been a year that we took them off a year ago, and this is finally going to happen. Yay!
So we got this weather stripping off Amazon. It's a nice dual layer weather strip in this rubber, and we're going to stick it on. You can see a link below if you like it and want of your very own. And
It was pretty reasonable.
It was reasonable.
Yeah.
And we're just going to put 6 bolts in it because we don't have enough screws to screw the rest of it. But we are going back with all stainless steel.
Yes.
There was rust all over this boat.
Nothing on this boat was stainless steel. I could not figure that out. Didn't it come with stainless steel? Why was everything changed? I don't know, but we're changing it all back, so no.
So doing that, and we've also done a lot of other stuff. If you want to go back and see past videos.
The floor,
The floor,
the building of it, the foam, the painting.
The trailer hitch, wiring, just so much. We've done, basically we just had a hole, and we've been building inside them.
Right.
Okay guys, if you see, this is has a double strip on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the bottom right here. We've already cut the size, and hopefully I can do this. Okay guys, got the windows in. The only place I hurt myself was trying to move the camera gear around to get the video.
Cords. I knew it was going to happen.
So we're going to bolt these down, and then we'll call this a night. Oh, wait.
Oh, I'm sorry. My fingers slipped. Did it go?
Yes. You don't want to move down too far. Okay guys, so we got all the screws in and we're good to go.
Windows.
We have windows. Now we're going to put a little weather stripping on that window so when it closes, it doesn't bang up the paint. Back to working on the engine and navigation and other things that are necessary to go, because we're ready to go.
Yes.
I am sweating my butt off, and we're going to conclude this video. Check out other videos we may have. We have videos on this boat, DIYs, recipes,
Reviews.
travel. Check it out.
Jack of all trades. Jack and Jill of all trades.
Jack and Jill of all trades. And also, if you're looking for great recipes, check out dininginwithdanielle.com. Makes great recipes released every Wednesday.
I just made my my balsamic chicken pasta tonight, the one that's on the website.
It is yummy.
It is so good. We eat it like at least weekly.
So I'm going to shower up and I'm going to go eat me some yummy chicken. Pasta, balsamic stuff. Because it's really good. And I hope y'all check it out and you're eating similar to the way we eat. And y'all please take care.
Bye.